Hello all, welcome to Jeff's Tech. First of all, I would like to thank my viewers for supporting me so I can bring out more videos. There are so many pieces of software out there that advertise different ways to keep your computer clean. I think what pisses me off is that most of the companies out there aim to take advantage of the technical literate individual. With that said, I have years of experience with understanding the concepts, software and hardware fields. I'm going to explain to you what I use to keep my PC clean. First of all, not going to junk websites by being careful is utmost importance. Also, not opening emails if you're unsure of what it is that you're actually looking at. You can also keep data on an external hard drive to save space. With Windows Defender, you shouldn't have to scan your drive regularly for potential malware. It should do that for you in the background. Virus software companies are out there to prey on individuals that have little to no knowledge at all for what they are buying or getting themselves into. And as we all know, it can be a gamer's enemy. I can make another video to explain that a little bit further about some of these pieces of software. Another good idea is to keep your cables tidy in your system, while also keeping your system clear of dust particles by keeping cans of air around or a dust blower of some sort. Removing dust in your computer can keep your system cooler, which in turn keeps your computer a little bit faster. The first piece of software that I want to start talking about is called ccleaner. You can go to the ccleaner website and they actually have a free download. Click on free download and download this software. I highly recommend it. I've been using it for a number of years, both for my computer business and have recommended thousands of users to use it as well. And I've got nothing but good feedback from everyone. Right now they have a health check in their new update. Basically just click next all the way through. You start your health check. What it does is it scans for your history of your computer. You click make it better. It patches up your PC. It gets rid of all your tracking, your junk history, and some of the apps that are not needed. Also, you can scan your registry, and this can delete unused registry files in your system for software that is not being utilized or is deleted from your computer. Then you can exit out. It's pretty much easy as that. The next piece of software that I would like to discuss is called Defraggler. Now, you can also go to the ccleaner website under their programs list and download this for free as well. Defraggler is only used for people that have a SATA drive and not an SSD. As you well know, and I can make another video about this as well, that and SSD drives do not need to be defragged because it will actually put unnecessary wear on your drive. Like I said, I can explain that in another video. Please leave some feedback in the comments below. So what this does is if you have a SATA drive, it actually compresses your files and organizes them and puts them to the beginning of the drive, leaving your end of your drive open and clean and clear. So you can analyze your drive or benchmark your drive. You can start by analyzing your drive to see what speed you're getting, to see if you need to defrag your drive or not, and then click optimize. It's easy as that. The software does the rest of the work. Again, do not do this on an SSD drive. Last but not least, there's a software called CPUZ, CPUZ. In my opinion, this is probably for a little bit more advanced users, but also in my opinion, it's very important to have. So this keeps a track of how fast your processor is running. how fast your memory is holding up, how fast your video card is holding up, and you can actually benchmark your CPU. There is another one that I can leave out a little bit optional, and that's called Speccy. The reason I say it's optional is because I typically use MSI Afterburner, and that seems to be for me, in my opinion, does a little bit better job than keeping track of your temperatures. But if you're a simple user, you can still use Speccy. You can go online and find it, and it keeps track of your CPU temperature. Of course, not much for your RAM, your motherboard temperature, your graphics, and your storage temperature, which it looks like it's only going to keep track of my SATA drive. What I found out, typically that SSDs have their own software for whatever company you buy them from, and they usually keep track of the temperature. Remember, all this temperature, keeping your computer dust free, keeping the proper amount of fans, keeping your computer up off the floor, all these make your computer run a little bit cooler and will keep your computer running a little bit faster. All right, well, kind of concludes this video. If you like what you are hearing, then please leave a comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will bring more out in the future. Thank you for watching. Peace.